Today, I'm going to show you my new Harry Potter Christmas tree. As some of you know, a couple years ago I showed you guys my smaller Harry Potter Christmas tree, and between ornaments that I've made and ornaments that I've received from Hallmark, as well as little replicas from Geek Gear and things like that, that tree got filled up super fast. So one of my early Christmas gifts from my husband was a new tree. So this is a 7-foot pencil tree, and it is now covered in the twinkly magical lights. We added some little flicker candles on here, which are super cute, and we've already filled this one up pretty decently. There's still definitely room on here. There's always room on the back, and if I need to move to the back of the tree, I will just get a rotating stand for it so that you can actually see 360 around the tree. But this makes for a very magical holiday season for me, and I love how it looks in my Harry Potter room. Now I'm going to highlight a couple of the late releases for the Hallmark 2020 Harry Potter collection, as well as give you just a broad overview of the tree. Let's get started. One ornament I wanted to hit on here is this really adorable owl with the Wizard's Craft book on his little owl post, and that is one of the Hallmark personalization ornaments that you can get. And he is just adorable and way bigger than I thought he was going to be. And this was, again, another early Christmas gift from my husband, just because he's so proud of everything that has happened with the craft book this year. And a lot of that is thanks to all of you. You guys have really made that such a great success. And that part of this year has been really great. Out of everything that's been happening, that is one little bright spot. And you guys have made my Etsy store super successful, so thank you very much for that. Those of you that ordered this holiday season, thank you. I hope everyone you bought for loves them. And just know that I really appreciate all of the support that you've given me here on this channel and through all of my different avenues, and I couldn't be more thankful. Another ornament I wanted a quick hit on is the Prisoner of Azkaban ornament. So this is obviously third in the series. We already have the Sorcerer's Stone and Chamber of Secrets, and this year Hallmark introduced the Prisoner of Azkaban, and I just love how they took the American illustrations and made them 3D. I think they did a fantastic job, and they just look adorable on my tree. But since this was a later release, I wanted to make sure I could show you guys this. And that's going to wrap it up. I just wanted to show you guys my new Harry Potter tree. And yes, we are in my Harry Potter room, and I will be doing a full Harry Potter room tour in the next 2 weeks. So look for that video. It will show how I display my potions, all of my little goodies, all of that stuff. And thank you for all of the support that you guys have given me throughout this whole year. I know 2020 has not been the year that any of us expected it to be, but I feel like we all made the best of it that we could in all of these trying situations. And I know I felt a lot of love from all of you, whether it was you guys watching my videos here, liking my posts on Instagram, purchasing from my Etsy store, or getting my book. Just know that I appreciate it. I love all of you, and 2021 will hopefully be a better year. And that's going to be it. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.